big day today. We ordered these Bilstein shocks in the Van Compass Stage 2 kit, which also includes these sumo springs for the front. Pretty cool. Anyways, that's for the front. And then for the back, it's the Falcon anyways, they're the adjustable Falcon shocks. I'm pretty excited to see how this works. So there's a place in town here. I live in the Minneapolis, St. Paul area. And it's called Zeus Off-Road. And they have done several vans with these, so they know what they're doing. And, you know, I'm too old to do, especially the fronts. So I'm going to pay them to do it. But, God, I'm excited because this van is scary to drive sometimes in a crosswind. And it's really got a lot of this going on. So I'm just going to throw these in the back of the van. They weigh too much to carry two at once. I don't know. You think the back end sags a little bit right now? Maybe it does a little. See how the distance from the tire to the fender well to here versus the front? Is it the same? Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Hey, should we open them up and just check them out? Let's. So they said at Zeus Off-Road that it was van day. I've had this appointment for, I don't know, what, month and a half. And they said that there's two other vans going to be there, same van, to do the same thing. So, okay, so here's the dust boots. And then, you know, I'm sure you've seen these Falcon shocks, but see, it's a dual cylinder model. And here's how you adjust them. So I should be able to reach in through the wheel well and adjust this, I hope. The rears aren't very hard to put in, but they said it only takes about a half hour per side to do the back shocks. Okay, we'll let them do them. So 500-pound sumo strings is what I got for the front. So should be awesome. Okay, we're over here at Zeus Off-Road. They're putting those that suspension kit in. So we're going to go in here and talk to them. It's on the alignment rack so we can take a look at it. You're gonna be able to get in here and adjust those shocks? Probably not, huh?
Get that, Chris.
So how do you do it? Oh my gosh. What do you have them set at?
That I don't.
Take a look in here. See them? There it is. The Falcon shock with the adjustability, but boy, that's to be hard to get at. Let me look from the side. Whoops. Jeez. Well, I guess you can reach in right here and get it. You can't see what you're doing, but you can. Okay. And on the front, we did those. There's the pump stop. I'm just looking in past the tire here. And there's the new shock. Right there. So, man, I sure hope this helps. Let's see over on that side. Yeah, these guys do a lot of Jeeps here. They got one van that they're doing. That's our truck there. But this other van, he said they lifted it. It's got a lift kit. Yeah, look at all the room above the tire on this bad boy. So he's got the Falcons in here. And on the back, what does he have? Oh, see, he put the lift on here. This is the Agile off-road kit on here with the Falcon shocks. So it's just got that little skinny little sway bar still though. You can see that. But, interesting. I don't know if I like these wheels or not. But local Minneapolis guy builds these. Well, this is a big day, guys. You know, I've been trying to get the price of insurance down on this van and the cost of license plates, and I did it. We are now officially an RV. I had to fill out a form. It's called a reconstruction form. You got to have a bathroom with a toilet and a shower. You got to have a running water. You got to have a way to cook. We have all that in this van. You also have to have heat. You have to have a heater in there in Minnesota. So anyways, there it is. Our recreational vehicle plates cost me $57 total to swap out the plates. And I guess I'm not working on the van today. Pouring. Maybe later. Well, guys, this is a big deal. We're getting new tires and wheels on the van. This is pretty cool. So I ordered them from Tire Rack. Check it out. Anyways, yeah, we got the Tire Rack here. And they got their mobile installation van. They can do spin balancing and the whole deal, but the tires came right from their place, already balanced and ready to go. So he's just airing them up there. And I get the XD grenades. It's a little different than what most people get for these. A lot of guys like those MR301s. I got the same size, and I don't know why. Those tires just look bigger than the ones that they're on there, but they're not. So he took the hubcaps off so far, and he's going to do the driver's side. And they just come out, and he's got a couple floor jacks and crank her up and do her. Sweet.
Got the other lug nuts before
Oh, yeah. Here's those Falcon shocks, guys. Oh, they're so nice. The new suspension now, it's pretty good. So you just gotta line it up. Look at that, man. Nice. I think the van looks good like that. So here's our Bilstein shocks that we put on in front here. And then the blue is the bump stop that we did on both sides in front. And that has helped a lot. You know, when you go off a curb or something and the thing rocks like crazy, no more. 135 foot-pounds. So here's how it looked before with the factory
wheels and tires on it. And here it is with the XT grenades, gloss black. Beautiful. Love the way it looks.
Yeah, so we got the suspension in now from Van Compass, and it feels really tight compared to what it was before. The front end is real stable now. It wasn't very stable before, I tell you. It was kind of scary before. Now, today isn't such a windy day. We'll have to drive it when there's more wind, but I'm going almost 70 here and driving with one hand, and I don't feel like, you know, white knuckle here, which before, boy, you had to keep two hands on the wheel at all times. So I think it's quite a bit better. I mean, there is some wind, and it's not blowing me around at all. So I think success. So anyway, Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom Vans. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in Zeus off-road, I'll leave a link down below. See you next time. Bye-bye.